Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into Flova.ai, the AI-powered video creation platform that is changing how creators, filmmakers, and animators make professional content. If you have ever dreamed of creating cinematic videos without the complexity of traditional editing, this is for you. Let's jump in. So what exactly is Flova.ai? Flova.ai is an all-in-one AI video platform that helps creators make high-quality videos from simple text ideas. You type a concept and it turns that into a full video using high-quality AI tools. Unlike other tools that make you bounce between different apps, it keeps idea building, story planning, video making, music and voice work in one single system run by smart AI agents. Think of it as having your own AI production team in your browser, handling script writing, direction, scene generation, and audio production all in one place. Let's talk about what makes Flova.ai special. Feature 1. Character consistency. Flova.ai, key features are character consistency, cinematic camera control, conversational production, and multiple model creative flexibility. From there, it can support camera rotation and a changing view while trying to keep the same character identity intact. This solves a real problem other AI video tools struggle with. Feature 2. AI agent planning. Describe a project in a plain language and Flova.ai draft the script, the storyboard, and shortlist before any generation starts. You are not just typing a prompt, you are having a conversational with an intelligent system that asks follow-up questions about tone, characters, and music. Feature 3. All-in-one studio. It keeps idea building, story planning, video making, music, and voice work in one single system run by smart AI agents. From video clips to voiceover, from background music to transition, it's all integrated. You can also save characters on workflow and preferences. A future project to follow the same approach automatically build your workflow once. Flova.ai integrates advanced AI models such as Sura 2 Pro, Veo3.ai, and Video Q3 Pro, and OmniHuman 1.5 for video generation, along with other models for images. Let's get the point that I love so much. How it works. First, you start idea input. You start by describing your concept in plain language. The AI asks follow-up questions about tone, people, and music. Step 2, planning. It creates a visual plan from the scene in the form of storyboard. The platform builds in project memory, so earlier you can carry forward as a project develops. Content creation. It makes image, video clip, sound, voice, and transition on its own. Export. You can finish high quality video. You can download it after you finish. Who can use Flova.ai? Flova.ai is perfect for several types of creators. Filmmakers who want cinematic quality with character consistency, content creator looking to scale their video production, storytellers who care about narrative and scene quality, small team and agency that don't have big budget for traditional production. Use my link in the description to sign up on Flova and get 100 free credits. After signing up, you can also earn an additional 200 credits when someone registered through your invite link. Now let's make a tutorial. I will try to creating an epic cinematic scene, a traveler facing a mysterious samurai on a cherry blossom hill. I will upload this picture for this. I will edit some details like Japanese village and cinematic elements like dramatic shadow and moody fog. Watch a Flova.ai render your vision in seconds with stunning detail, cherry blossom, fog, village, all perfectly realized. Now you can create your masterpiece. I also make a picture. It appears like agent in the right side that you can edit more details and interact with this AI agent and edit details for your scene. I used this picture in my previous scene and I will regenerate another scene using the asset. This asset is such a large library in Flova.ai. You can choose your element and regenerate the video.